All right, this is fantastic. As soon as I begin this video, here comes Bob in his 56 Chevy. You hear it? Wow. Anyway, the purpose of this video, Street Lethal on YouTube. I thank you very much. I actually came out right after reading your comment regarding the armature for the mechanical fuel pump. I got dressed, left the house, had my girl drop me here. She's going to pick me up in another 10 minutes. Just so I could come and remove this mechanical street strip fuel pump from TA Performance. This is the armature that rides along the camshaft lobes. I'm aware of that. I really thank you very much. Also, this gasket was almost non-existent, okay? So I feel fuel was getting into my engine oil through this a bit as well. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to update with this new revelation, if we could call it that. But I really thank you very much. So I did not put the TA plate because I wanted to get out of here earlier. But look at it. I end up coming right back out here. But tomorrow morning, before we get anything going, she's going to drop me back off here so I can put the block off plate. Can't see it. Can't see the area without the fuel pump there now. But anyway, you guys know where the heck the thing is. But anyway, there's no more mechanical TA fuel pump, no armature riding along the camshaft. Now, I'm hoping that was the cause of the noise, just to save me a little money. But regardless, I'm getting this motor redone and having the Stage-1 aluminum heads put at the same time with 1.65 rocker, 1.65 roller rockers. And I'll see about a roller cam. I was thinking about that. Like, if I'm going to get the TA roller rocker set, might as well get a roller rocker cam. A roller cam. I'm saying roller rocker cam. I'm very tired. I'm getting back out of here again. Get home again. Take another shower. And eat and relax. Probably watch Power again. She likes it very much. But anyway, so far so good. I thank you again. Street Lethal. Okay, not street legal, street lethal. Thank you, man. Have a good weekend. One.